That's what I mean, is it?
I mean, it wasn't full revved. It was only about half revved. And it snapped that motherfucker.
No, it's not the link we put in.
That is just ridiculous. That fucking startled me when it snapped. I said, what? I saw it do it, and then I said, shit, it broke.
That is wild. You're supposed to hold them. As soon as they start, you hold them wide open.
Yeah, that's what you do it. But man, I'm just holding on to what the? I looked down, seen the chain off. I looked the second time, seen it was working.
Yeah, I've never seen it happen. I've never even seen a chain break before, like, period.
Your dad had one.
Not.
It's like ripping his pants like.
Ooh wee. That could be scary.
Yeah, it was scary. Yeah.
Yeah, it chipped the shit out of it though when it just did it.
But it was still hit you.
Yeah.
But I've seen them wrap around people's hands.
That could be a little sketchy. It should go right through there, I imagine.
Tip of coat up to stay warm and zipped up already.
The wind is cold. We ought to cut now though. Should have probably looked for nails.
Want me to sharpen it?
No, but just my luck, a brand new chain. I didn't hit one, but man, that thing cuts.
Yeah.
That's.
I'm scared.
Ain't nothing like a new chain on that little saw. You want to cut while I push? What? It should cut it. It should make it, I think. Wow. Cut it in half. I'm gonna grab the other saw because it's got old chain on it for this stuff cut.
Scared to use them now.
Yeah, that's sketchy. Super sketchy. You don't get that with a battery saw. I don't know. Probably more prone, yeah. 592. Clean up around the stump, so don't dull the saw, hopefully. Blow it off, so try to get the dirt out. Man, that was stupid. Well, that was dumb. I didn't think it would fit. could probably slide beside that bush and try to push it over while it's peeling. You know what I mean? To let it go slow.
Yeah. I've noticed it's cutting some of these trees. It's not peeling when it gets to the end of the bush.
I know, like that pine just popped. I was gonna say something about that. I think it's cold and it's frozen. Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna move that much, honestly. But yeah, I'll slide through this opening here or that one. That's what I was thinking over there earlier. But I'm ready. Yeah, a little bit more. Stay running, girl. That chunk of wood was heavy, dude. He ain't gonna lift that.
Oh, yeah. How old do you think it is?
I'd say probably in his 50s, maybe. I don't know.
He talked about the car and he said, I can't believe I'm still out here at 68. Oh, you cut it alright?
Yeah, might as well. Fucking, he ain't gonna be able to split that shit. Or here, I'll cut it with this.
I'm afraid just fucking like a chain break.
There might be a nail in that high off the ground. Yeah. This chain's not brand new. Ow! My finger!
Yeah,
you gotta use the decompression on this saw.
How much of that does it work?
I mean,
all of the stuff on the ground.
That's pretty much how he kept acting. At this point, I'll just throw it on there and dump it. He's home now. Do.
I think put the rakings on for kindling.
I threw some. I mean, he said he wanted kindling, so I threw some of it on there. Alright, there was no stump grinding on this one. We did clean up a couple extra piles for free over there for letting us use the driveway. So tried to do a little extra for her since she was cool about letting us use her driveway and yard for even the neighbor's trees. She might have us grind the stumps later. I don't know. This one's pretty big. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 size 14 boots. And we out of here. Yard looks good. Driveway looks good. Didn't beat up any of the other trees. Oh man, it's cold. Didn't bust up the driveway. Alright. This one wraps it up. And it is cold today.